औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to teach you that how to change or upload the thumbnail of your video. Okay, first of all you need to enter in your channel, YouTube channel. Okay, after that on the top right corner just click on this logo. Just click here and then enter in your channel, click on it, and after that click here YouTube studio. Just click here. When you will enter in your YouTube studio, you will get this interface, and after that you need to click on content, and then after that click on for example, if I want to change the thumbnail, this is called thumbnail that is appearing over here. For example, I want to change the thumbnail of this video, so I will click on edit. Open the content, click on edit. So here's the thumbnail. Click on upload thumbnail, click on it, and then you need to select your thumbnail from the file. Click on open. It will be uploaded over here and it will display it here as well. Okay, now click on save the changes and it will reflect over here. That's how you can create the thumbnail for your videos and you can upload. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.